In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a trading journal in Notion on your phone if you want to become more consistent with your trading. One of the best habits you can build is keeping a clear, organized journal. A trading journal helps you track what you did, why you did it, and what the result was. Over time, that gives you useful patterns you can learn from instead of relying on memory alone. Start by opening the Notion app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, create a new page and set it up as your trading journal. Give it a simple, clear title so it's easy to find later. This page will become the main place where you log and review all of your trades. Next, add a database for your trades. This is what will keep everything structured and easy to sort through. A database works much better than plain notes because it allows you to store each trade as its own entry. That makes it easier to review your history, compare results, and spot recurring strengths or mistakes. After that, add the key properties you want to track for every trade. Include the date, the pair or stock, your entry, your exit, your profit, your loss, and a notes section. These details are important because they give context to every position you take. The date helps you review your timeline, the pair or stock tells you what you traded, and the entry and exit show how you executed the trade. Profit and loss let you measure performance, while notes give you room to write down your reasoning, emotions, or any mistakes you noticed. If needed, add screenshots of your chart. This can be extremely helpful because a visual record often reveals things numbers alone do not. A chart image can help you remember the exact setup, market structure, or timing behind the trade. When you review later, those screenshots can make your analysis much more accurate. Make it a habit to record each trade right after entering or closing it. This is important because your memory is freshest in the moment. If you wait too long, it becomes easier to forget key details or leave out information that could be valuable later. As your journal grows, spend time reviewing both your winning and losing trades. Don't just focus on the outcome. Pay attention to the quality of the decision, the setup, and whether you followed your plan. Sometimes a winning trade was poorly executed, and sometimes a losing trade was still a good decision. Finally, use your journal to improve your trading decisions. The goal is not just to collect data, but to learn from it. The more consistently you use your journal, the easier it becomes to identify what works, what doesn't, and where you need to improve.